Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Plaza. Last series we have discussed on Oracle recycle bin, how to drop a table and how to check in recycle bin table, right? So today we are going to check that how to recover the dropped data, right? Let's start the video. See, this is what the table we have checked yesterday, right? As it is users table we have created, right? So we have dropped the table. Then we have checked there is no table here in the database located. But coming to recycle bin table, the data is there, right? So how to recover this table? The concept is there. So for that, syntax is there is a command that flashback. Yes, flashback table name, drop table name. Okay. So without dropping, you can't recover, right? Drop table name to before drop, right? So this is what the syntax. So we'll come to query. Okay, not query is one, acknowledge a command, flip close, flashback table. What is the table name? As it is users, right? Users to before drop, right now. So I'm exporting this. Yes, the message that flashback succeeded, right? You can see here. Then, earlier we have checked what it came. Tabular view does not exist, right? Now you can check that table is there. Along with data, we can able to recover the table, right? Along with structure, everything will get forwarded. Yep. So like this, you can able to recover the table and along with data once you have dropped the thing, right? No. So don't think that once you are dropping the table, it will be erased from the database. There is a there, which there will not be free the space from the database. Okay. So how to remove entirely from database in next video series, I will update you. Yeah, for today this is what the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.